All right. Hey, everyone. Welcome to the Tellor Community Call, April 13th, 2021. Um, yeah, it should be a relatively short call, but always here to answer your guys' questions. And, we've been really active on Telegram and Discord lately. So hopefully that just means that all of your questions are answered. You guys just don't need anything from us. Um, but sort of news for the week. On the dev side, we're launching the fellowship this week, so we'll be pushing it live tomorrow, which is a big deal. The fellowship is kind of our structure for starting to support other chains. We'll kind of talk about that a little bit more here. The big ones that we're going to be deploying the playground to first, so you guys have like a little testing grounds over there, but we'll be doing it on Arbitrum, Polygon, and BSC. But yeah, if you're interested in using the fellowship, if you're building on one of those chains, or some other chain, some other more custom structure, definitely reach out, let us know. It's been kind of a process getting the fellowship up, but we think we have some really pretty code up there. We know that we had in the past we had a big security bug, and we take kind of full responsibility for that. But moving forward, we're really hopefully you guys can go look at this repo and you see kind of how professional it is. And we definitely really buttoned up a lot of the tests, and that's maybe why it took a little bit longer than expected, but really proud of it so far. So yeah, we'll be pushing that out.
And the exciting thing about that is the fellowship. For those of you who don't really care too much about the nitty gritty deep differences between Oracle structures, this will mean more users. It broadens our ability to serve people that Ethereum, our main teller, isn't a good fit for. Um, so yeah, we hope to be able to fill the demand that we've been receiving from some individuals that we haven't been able to actually work with in the past. So
Yeah, and kind of since we're launching the fellowship, if you or somebody you know is really good at making Lord of the Rings based teller memes, uh,
yeah,
we could really use some help, or even some drawings and things like that. So we're trying to, we've sort of branded it a little bit with the fellowship and the Lord of the Rings terminology, but as far as a lot of the design work and things like that has yet to be done. So if you want to put a stamp on it, definitely reach out to us. That said, about helping out Teller, we're also in the midst of hiring. I'm sure you guys have seen. We're doing interviews. We're talking with different people. If you're a developer, if you know a developer, or if you're into kind of the community governance piece of it and want to help us out there, definitely just reach out and we'll see if you can be a fit. Or if you just really want to do something and you don't know what, reach out and we'll see if you'll be a fit. We want good people who care about what we're building and what we're trying to do here. So if we can find that, the rest will sort of take care of itself. So, and then Mike, any sort of announcements from you?
yeah, you guys probably saw we tweeted out an announcement of our sponsorship of ETH Global's hackathon called Scaling Ethereum. We're really excited to work with them again. It's a nice big 4 week long hackathon that we really enjoy. I think we get, you get better projects when they have more than 2 days to build on it, and this is perfectly it fits with the timing of us releasing Fellowship to a T. Um, so this hackathon is going to be focused on the fact that a lot of the Ethereum ecosystem is moving over to layer two. And so a lot of the key sponsors of this one are the different layer two solutions. Um, and these are people that we're partnering with for the fellowship, projects like Arbitrum and Polygon that we've mentioned. Um, so yeah, it's all about, it's a month long. So if you're interested in learning about ETH scaling and layer two scaling, like definitely go participate. They're going to do a ton of summits, like I think every Friday, it might be throughout the week or throughout the month on rollups, ETH 2.0, privacy, ZK proofs. Anyway, this is perfect for the fellowship. and we're putting out a bounty for any projects that want to build on Polygon or Arbitrum or any of these solutions if they use Tellor. And so yeah, if you're interested, just follow the link that we tweeted out. Sign up. I think this week is the onboarding week for hackers, so they're putting out all the information about prizes and bounties. We're giving away 3K worth of TRB, and we'll have a first, second, and third prize. It's very typical. We're going to be releasing a workshop video as well that Ryan's working on building on Tellor if you're doing like a layer 2. So I think that really covers it. It's pretty simple. Yeah, we really look forward to what you guys all build, and we will keep you posted throughout the month.
Cool. Any questions we got today?
We have one submitted to us, which is, will there be new partnership announcements, and will there be a transition to networks such as BSC, etc.
I think we
So like I
answered
was
the
just
latter
saying,
part.
yeah, we just answered the latter part. That's exactly what the fellowship is designed to do. We're really excited about that. Um, so we should see a lot of noise in that regard over the next few weeks. Um, and partnership announcements, I think, stay tuned. We're scheduling we've talked about Liquidity. We haven't done an official announcement with them yet, and we're sort of working on doing the appropriate co-marketing around that. We're not going to make it like a huge to-do, but we're going to have them on. We're going to have them on our community call in a couple weeks, so stay tuned for that. We'll announce that date. This will be an exciting. This will be our first like guest user. So we're really stoked for that. But that'll be in a couple weeks. So we're working with them on the timing of everything, and we think there's going to be more to come. So stay tuned.
Awesome. Yeah, and I mean it's always fun because we're at like ETH all-time highs, so we're in still this crypto bull market where everything's going crazy, and it's new
Yep.
users are coming in every day, but the prices keep going up and changing what actually can be built on Ethereum. So and each of these chains, I mean BSC has just gone crazy. So who knows where the future is going to hold, but we're building and we're making the best of it. So thank you guys. Tellor 2 was Ryan. Thanks everyone for coming, and yeah, reach out if you need anything. We're available anytime, and if you have any of those lingering migration issues, definitely reach out, but we're just about done. So all right, talk to you guys later.